Welcome back, my friend. Today we're doing another chair workout. So all you need is a small rolled up towel and a chair. So grab those and a big bottle of water, and I'll see you in a second. So with our towel, we're gonna place it on the seat. We're gonna sit with it in between our legs. And remember that we're sitting at the edge of our seat. All right, we're starting with our exhaling and squeezing. This towel is there mostly for placement so you can feel it. You can feel it when you start to squeeze. And you are reconnecting with your pelvic floor. So we're gonna inhale, exhale, and squeeze. You'll feel that movement right on the towel. Just hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. So every time I close my fist, that's gonna be squeeze it tight, okay? Inhale, exhale, and squeeze. And relax. Inhale, and exhale, and squeeze. You'll feel yourself lift a little in the chair when you're squeezing. Inhale, last one. Exhale, and squeeze. Nice. All right, we're gonna stay seated on this towel and we're gonna do our knee lifts again. We're gonna be doing one leg at a time. We'll do 5 on one side, then we'll switch 5 on the other side. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. You can place your hands on your core. You want it tight. Lift one leg up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Switching to the other side, so inhale, exhale, core is tight. Squeeze. 1, 2. Exhale each time you lift your knee up. 3, 4, 5. Nice. All right, next we're going to be straightening our legs out, and we're going to lift up our toe off the floor and bring it back down. So inhale, exhale, squeezing your core, lift one leg up and down. It's okay if it only raises a little bit. 2, we're alternating legs here. We're gonna do 10, 3, core is tight, 4, each lift we do, we're exhaling, 5, 6, 7, 8, remember fingertips, 9, squeezing your core, 10, relax. We're gonna go back through that one more time. Take a breath. You might feel a little bit in your thighs as well, but we're trying to bring even more awareness to our core. So inhaling, exhaling, we're gonna do one knee at a time. Squeeze your core, lift up, 1, start on the opposite side, 2, core is tight, 3, 4, 5, good, relax. Inhale, exhale, lift your knee up, 1, 2, exhaling every time we lift, 3, inhale, exhale, 4, inhale, exhale, 5, and relax. Okay, straight legs. Feet straight out, we're doing 10, alternating. Inhale, exhale, squeeze, core is tight, chest is out, lift one leg up, 2, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. And we're gonna end with those squeezes again, right? So inhale, exhale, and squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Inhale, exhale, and squeeze. And relax. Let's do one more. Inhale, exhale, and squeeze. And relax. Great job. If you're feeling good, do it once more through. Otherwise, go outside for a 10-minute walk. Drink a lot of water. Snuggle your baby. Hope it helps. Love ya. And I'll see you in the next one. And if you are liking these workouts, please give it a thumbs up and hit that bell notification thing so you don't miss any more workouts coming up. Love ya. Bye.